Have you seen an accident? People are going through an emergency. Then pick up your phone and call Hero. Let me tell you about the Hero. Hero is a high-speed drone that delivers first aid kit or defibrillator. In the event of emergency, the drone can travel at the speed of 70 km per hour and within a radius of 2 km and use GPS to navigate the emergency site. What Hero can carry? The Hero is a fine toolkit capable of carrying a defibrillator kit and aid kit. What are the problems? The average arrival time for ambulance in a life-threatening emergency in our city is over 20 to 30 minutes, depending upon traffic conditions. Oftentimes in these situations, when a patient goes to a cardiac arrest, time is the most critical factors in determining if they are alive or dead. Medical supplies including vaccines or antivenom to disaster or relief exposed regions. Sudden cardiac arrest survival rates drop 7 to 10% every minute without a defibrillator, and brain damage within just 4 to 5 minutes. 95% patients of those who suffer sudden cardiac arrest die because defibrillation usually occurs too late. Why Hero? Why our solution? The Hero in comparison could travel the same distance as ambulance at 2% faster. The Hero are easily accessible and not as much costly as compared to helicopter, ambulance or other resources. Hero can be outfitted with additional sensors, cameras, onboard microprocessor to autonomously self-stabilize, follow designated path. Statistics. Pakistan is the third world country which faces problem of traffic jams. The architecture design are another reason which increase the risk of traffic jam and health emergencies. Recent information increased by the Pakistan Bureau of Statistics shows that more than 9,000 accidents over a year and more than 50% of all that have resulted in death due to non-adequate provision of medical assistance to the victim. Technologies that we use: Android Studio, Java, Arduino C++, Pixel, flight controller, and a telemetry of 913 MHz. Our marketing and future plans will focus more on social media marketing and do some paid. We are going to partner up with hospitals, NGOs, and delivery companies. Features like food deliveries, surveillance, and inspection of high-rise buildings will be added soon.